ಪುನಃ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ BA BSc BCom ಮತ್ತು BBM ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರದ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮದು ನಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕನಕಪುರ ಟೌನಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಯರ್ ಇರೋದು ಹೋಗಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಇಂಥ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೆವೆಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ರೂರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅವಳು ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಬಲ್ಲ ಅವಳು ಇವತ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದರೆ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರು ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಒಂದು ಒಡನಾಟ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಳಗಿನ ಆಂತರಿಕ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಭಾಷಣ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟಿವ್ ಅನ್ನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರು ICT ಇವಾಗ ಐ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಿ ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಪವರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ
ಯಾರು ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು
ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಉತ್ತಮ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ.
ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು 4:30-5 ಗಂಟೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಸ್ಸಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಬಸ್ಸಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದರ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಬಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ 5-6 ಗಂಟೆ ತನಕ ಬಸ್ಸಸ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆರ್ ನೀವು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ಶಿಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡು 4-5 ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಅಥವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಫುಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಕಲಿಯಬೇಕು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ
ಬಡವರು ಕೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬೈರೇಗಳಂತ ಬಡವ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ನಾವು ಈ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ
ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಗದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಂತ ಅಲಮಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಜಾತಿ ಭೇದ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಜಾತಿ ಭೇದ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮುದಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಸಮುದಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅನ್ನ
ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿನ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ 100% ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ನಿರ್ಭೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಬೇಗ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ
You are all aware that NAC PhD is visiting our college 9th and 10th, and your team has arrived for the introduction. Now you all. First, I would like to introduce the chairperson of the NAC PhD, Professor S. Sivasubramanian. The member coordinator of the NAC PhD, Dr. Sheila Ermadan. Please do cooperate, be frank, express your opinion and share your feelings, and the NAC PhD is going to share their feelings with you. Thank you.
Well friends, the teachers would have given you instruction. They would have come and told you, suppose in the PhD marks, say everything is excellent, everything is good. See, sometimes they do. There are so many colleges, and we know whether the student is good or she or he has been tutored. And they will always choose the best student in the front row. Before we ask, they will stand up and say, How do you feel about the canteen? It may not be so good, it may be okay, but it's how students are going to say, canteen food is excellent. You go there without informing, just to taste and find out, and then what you are saying is all fine. So there is no possibility of telling like, and we are your friends. Maybe you can call me your grandpa or so you can feel free. But what you do not know is, I am the youngest of all of you. I am the youngest of all of you. I am only 74-year-old. Okay, I think it. What is comfortable? Now, how do you feel about the teaching here in the college? You can say it is very good. You can say it is good. You can say it is okay. So I have given 4 parameters.
Okay.
Excellent.
Very good. Okay.
Now let me start it. Okay. Whomsoever agree with okay, raise your hand. No, don't look at others. Be independent.
Okay.
One. Whomsoever agree with good, raise your hand. Okay.
Everything don't rise up.
Okay. Then, whomsoever will say very good. Now, I don't agree with the excellent, I don't agree with okay also. Because there are teachers who are experienced and responsibility good. Everybody is also not okay. So, I know you are not getting the right, you are getting the truth, I am happy about it. But you are passing the first test. Now, how many of you are satisfied with toilets? Because there is a saying, you go to a house, look at the kitchen, you know I'm going to ask a question. Do you feel that the toilets in the colleges are being maintained very good or good? Good. Very good. I agree with you. What to do one knows, I visited both the gents toilets and visited. So we have seen the toilets. Very good. Yeah, true. Then what about the canteen? Do you have the canteen? No. Today will be open. See, something that comes from that before next day.
Those who are coming from villages.
No canteen. You want a canteen. Am I right?
Yes.
Now, with regard to canteen, we will insist on 2 things. One, the prices and the articles, otherwise you get infection. So hygienicity, low price, easily available. The number of items may not be like a hotel. There may be one which is the best and hygienicity. There may be like a. Then coming to the courses, are you happy with the courses here? Are you No, I am not happy. I can't tell you that. See, there are so many BA graduates. They are unable to get employed.
Yes, sir.
You know why? They are not computer savvy. They don't have the hands of experience with computers. They are unable to communicate in English. Whether we like it or not, communicating is out of the day, whether you go to any IT company or ITS company or any other company in English. So that is not being given important. We have told them to impart the communicative English. We have told them to establish computer lab so that you can become computer savvy. Then only you become employed. Whether you study BCom or BA or BSc, simply what I want is, I want assurance from you people. We will remain from 4 to 5, not that. We can arrange for so many best things. These add-on courses, then there's a buddy group interaction. Say for example, what we do is, these two girls are that will facilitate. So we can improve the communication. So several things can be done if the students agree to stay from after 5 o'clock till at least, after 4 o'clock till at least 5 o'clock. Because when we ask so many things, everybody is saying 4 o'clock, we will not say. Do you agree to stay up to 5 o'clock? Yes. Okay. Then it's a teacher's problem, not student. Or you can say, sir, this is nearer to my house. Or you can say, if I want to go to Bangalore, somebody may be coming from some 10 minutes from here. I have traveled 1.5 hours, but this is only half an hour. There may be empty number of pieces. Any one of you think it's because of logistics, there is nearness to the college, or somebody is going to say, sir, the teaching is excellent in this college. Therefore I chose this. How many of you say that?
Very good. Very good.
Teaching is very good, therefore we chose. Okay, fine, I agree. Then, are you happy with the courses available? But I am not happy because I want courses like IT, BT, MT, fashion technology. You can start your own fashion technology. When you go and beg somebody to job, you become an entrepreneur, you give job for some of your products. So we want, in fact, we have one more recommendation. This college entrepreneur development center, whereby at least some of you, of the 1,239 students, a few students can become entrepreneurs. They can give jobs to other students. There are the skills to get a job. And just explain. Now that this is going, what to do next? If you are not able to communicate, then conference will not come. Again, conference will come. If you have the right kind of attitude, yes, I can definitely do it. I will do it. The third is aptitude. I will be the first. If competence coupled with communication, attitude, comes, then you become confident. Then you have to adapt the situation. This comes because suppose you go to IT company, IT is particular. They give the job only in the night. So you have to create something new. Then only you can start. So all these are the skills which must be imparted in the college. Communication, you need not go outside. If your teacher speaks chaste English, very good English, fine English, in a loose style, automatically you will inculcate. Either speak, all the teachers speak English, there is another English. That's what they are going on. You will also get only English, not English. Agree with me? Yes, sir. We already told them how to do it. Then, whether the teachers support you in India, have you given the feedback on curriculum? I know you are giving a feedback on teaching. Whether teaching is good or bad, whether the teacher come on time, etc. But do you give the feedback, written feedback on curriculum? No. There is no health center here. The college doesn't have a health center, or at least even the, what do you call it? If you go to neighboring, that's like. Are you, suppose you have got some grievance. There is a grievance clause in the library. You can put it, that is only to library or general grievance. Any grievance you can write there? Yes. And are you happy with the, suppose somebody has put a grievance there? Whether the grievance are resolved? No. No. Madam, I asked the grievance after the grievance. Suppose you write something, some problem, you put in the subject. It is resolved? No, sir.
issues are not solved. Like all the like if you any kind of some hygienic problem, that type of problem will solve soon early.
Hygienic problems are solved.
Yeah.
But
Some
other
people-
problems are not solved.
Like some social department problem. There is no teacher who teaches in English
No teacher teaches English, okay.
Sir.
I understand.
as well as in zoology.
Fine. Any other problem?
Sir, as well as in zoology also, there is no
As well as
teacher.
in-
There is no teacher in zoology.
So,
Yes, sir.
fine.
Only one teacher.
This is a problem. And then, I have the last two questions. Best three things. The best three things in the college. Best three things. Anybody can say? Huh?
One, somebody, all of them don't talk at one time.
One person. Please stand up and tell. The three best things. No, you are saying something. Stand up. You stand up. And stand up. What is?
Discipline.
Discipline. Very good. Second, teaching. That
Uniform.
uniform. Okay.
Please
My question is, like we need an inter-department sports. We have well enough in physical mix, we have well enough to do in the mind. So if the physical works with our mind will work. So we have need some inter-department sports, whether the BSc, whether the BCom, like the
I agree with you. I already noted the point, even before talking to you. Sports activities are not visible in the college. Well, I am happy with the NCC and the NSS. Now, what is the second one? I am. Okay. What is the third one? Water facilities. Water is not mentioned. Water facilities. Now, I want two students to talk. One from girls side, one from one day principal. Okay, you are one day principal. You are given every authority to study. How will you improve this college? Please tell me. One from this side, one from that side. Okay. Yeah, please. Go ahead.
So I will explain some of the good things in college. That is, I am from rural background, sir.
Yeah.
I am selected this college BSc. I studied PUC in Jain Vidyaniketi PU College in Jacksonville. I got 78% in that college, sir. I got 85% in SLC, Jain Vidyaniketi school. But I chosen this college because the lecturers are very good in this college. From the Department of Physics, from the Department of Chemistry is so good in this college. That is language, Kannada, English are so good. And Department of Mathematics is growing because we do not have any senior lecturers in the department.
Okay.
Only two are there, sir. That is the MSc joined this college.
Yes, ma'am.
You have made the principal.
Yes,
Tell me what you.
ma'am,
Okay, yeah.
Firstly, this campus should be very clean. That is, the campus, the students should be very unity. They should wear uniforms. They should participate in all the programs, irrespective of BSc, BA, BCom. Sir, we are lagging unity in this college. That is, if we do any function, if we are doing BSc students, all the BA or BCom students should join that function.
Should join.
Yes, sir. It's our responsibility as a student that we should do that function. Today I am volunteer in that function, sir. But no BA, BSc, BCom students are doing that one.
Okay,
I am very sad about that, sir. That is, I am only doing work in that function, but nobody is supporting that.
Okay, I got it.
But that is the only one thing I have to say, sir.
Fine, sir. Girls side now, somebody get up and say, if you all make the principal for one day,
One day.
what improvement would you like suddenly? I mean, you think about it.
Yes, yes.
Firstly, I want to change the voice.
Change the
voice.
Boys,
Because their attitude and their talking style is very bad.
Yeah, let's go on. Now, I got your sentiments. See, you have to remember, this is a co-education institution. These are all your sisters. These are all your brothers. And we have to live only like that. But as long as you remain here within the college premises, you have to have the attitude, he is my brother. Suppose if this girl is not reaching the house safely, for which you are responsible.
I think what she means is their snobbish, they talk very
Yeah,
loudly.
I am coming to the point. Now, why I am saying brothers, sisters, that's the main behind it. So, you may take limit with your sisters, you may take limit with the brothers, but the affection should not suffer. Thereby wounding the feelings of either sex. You should not wound the feelings of the boys, you should not wound the feelings of the girls. There should be always the feeling of we are rural college here, irrespective of the gender. Right, ma'am?
You want to say something?
Everyone is not like that. That's what I'm going to say. But in our college, means most of the boys are not like that. Boys from outside are coming to our college and they are
Oh, okay, this is a.
That's why the main uniform, sir.
Then you, the boys, have to protect them from the other boys.
Yes, sir.
It's your responsibility. Okay, okay.
our college boys are better.
Now, they are angry like this.
Sir, she meant to say, our boys are good, like some, we have a security problem, like the outsiders are entering the campus. They are making ragging.
What about the outsiders are allowed to enter the college campus?
No security has
They jump from the gate and come.
Oh, jump from it. Okay, okay. Then, so, she says, she becomes a principal, she will make the security stick there, whereby other students cannot get. Am I-
And in the college, everyone want equal rights.
Yeah.
Not boys or girls. Don't make discrimination.
No, they should not be.
Everyone wants equal.
Correct.
And every girl should be canteen. Boys are not allowed to go sometimes because they are afraid sometimes. Girls are afraid to go to canteen because boys are just like that.
They will embarrass.
They are afraid of boys sometimes.
That should not be acted. You should not. Okay, fine. That is good. She's good, but she can come outside. No, still what you need to do is never keep it outside. Have a roof, asbestos roof, and a platform. Then there should be openings at the bottom also. When you connect, this has to, because otherwise IOC will not allow. How they permit IOC to not allow. Anyhow, it's better, instead of keeping it inside the lab, you are keeping it out. I am happy. Okay, exhausted. Exhaust is there. And the acid particles should not be separated, either in the asphalt or you have to put the sand.
Get some weight.
Better put out some sand, there must be so many years.
All good.
Why don't you keep some of the top kids photos on?
Sir, we all that lab we have. But sir, two photos are there. We don't play it. Like you.
They often think that our lab is different than our small.
Sorry, yeah, so person,
They have
they have a system, and they have printer,
No, sir.
on my back, that's it.
Yes, sir.
use this one recently, sir.
Yes, sir.
There's one fridge also there.
Do you use the PPTs?
Sir, this time only we got a projector.
That's
7
7 hours, it is fixed.
EDX platform, or COSAR platform, or LPTL, National Program for Technology, where all the AAC professors, IIT professors have create lessons for chemistry. Or now SPHERE, the MS has done. First half of...
This is Cambodia.
Yes,
This is our student participation in national seminar.
Both of you are temporary?
Yes.
Have you passed net plus net? You have to write and pass the net plus net. Then only you can continue this process.
Have you appeared, madam? Have you appeared for net assessment? Have you appeared for the examination anytime? Net assessment? Yes.
I take 3 times.
3 times.
Don't worry. Falling is not for falling ever. Falling is always getting up and running. Continue. Geography and
Social education.
social. Combination of commerce and education.
Myself, currently working as assistant professor at Department of Commerce and Administration, Rural Curriculum. So I would like to give you a brief description of the profile of the department. Department of Commerce and Administration. The Department of Commerce was established in the year 1973-74. Department of Management, now it is called Administration, established in the year 2000-2001. This is the details of my faculty members. Presently we have 15 faculty members. Yes, sir. Department of Commerce and Administration, we have 15 faculty members. I am working as a another department. All the faculty members are here, sir.
You are young and very young.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, all of you, please come.
Also, 15 faculty members, 8 French faculty, 7
Permanent, how many are there?
Only one.
and myself, I am working on a regular basis, all management employees.
They are all very young and dynamic and pushing.
They all have spine faces.
It is Engineer.
But make the connection with PhD. And for the teachers, always the mistakes. Teacher, it's a mistake, this what you can correct later, not now.
Did you understand what the mistake was?
Yes, sir. Please let us be there.
Even for the HOD,
This is a commerce team, all 15. So research activities, sir. So out of the 15 members of faculty, one faculty completed his PhD in the same ministry, Meghalaya, sir. Second, first and KG Satish, myself and KG Satish, presently we are pursuing research degree and Bharatiya is becoming professor. My topic is there, sir.
microfinance and mobile.
Microfinance. My topic
Who
is
got the Nobel Prize for the microfinance?
This is.
Who?
Who introduced microfinance?
So published article, sir. I published one of the 3 papers are published in the international magazine, sir. One is in the International Journal of Research in Commerce and Social Sciences. Second one that is the International Research of Journal of Marketing and Finance. So I presented one paper in the 2 months back on the international conference. The title of the paper, Quality of Work Life, Study and Analyze Construction Workers in honorable guests. Paper related to is also one of the colleague is also presented published 2 times is also next.
Total published 6 articles. Yes.
So various seminars and workshops attended by my faculty members, state level, national level, international level workshops are attended. BCom admission statement from last 6 years. Last 6 years. Admission statement from last 6 years.
You make more than half of the strength in the college.
Yes, sir.
One more than this.
1,240 is for the semester.
That's
Only 500.
BBA admission statement from last 6 years.
But BBA is going down. Commerce is getting up. BBA is going down.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Statement of BCom result for past 6 years.
But I'm not very happy with the result. It should be more than 80-90%.
All other departments.
There is something around 90%, 86, 85.
About 85 only.
Yours is the maximum is 69.
We will try.
So you have to improve simply.
Okay. We try to improve it.
Statement of BCom results. Statement of BBA result for past 6 years.
Better than earlier one. BBA admission is going down, but the results is falling.
Research is good.
Statement of 6 year students, strengths, BCom and BBA.
Next page.
This is the current year strength, sir. The total strength of the class is 1,291.
As I said, it's going down.
1,291.
They said more than 60% is
Our
yours.
strength is 72%. 60% strength we have. Most of the departments are doing the current year, sir. 237 hours for the total department, between BCom and BBA. So these are the various activities conducted by the Department of Commerce and Administration, sir. Theory classes, classes.
I have a commerce course supervisor. Still I am asking a question. You are conducting practicals. What kind of practicals are they?
Actually, sir, present CBCS system is there, sir.
Okay.
According to CBCS system, 70 marks for theory, 30 marks for internal assessment marks, sir. So, while awarding this internal assessment marks for the students, sir, attendance we have considered, sir. Attendance we have considered, assignments, marks is allotted, sir, as per UC. While 5 marks for attendance, 5 marks for assignments, 20 marks for unit tests. We have conducted 2 unit tests, sir. Average of, we have to take the average of 2 unit tests, sir.
Sir, you are not understood my question.
Sir, I'm here for HOD.
Yeah, please.
Sir, we are conducting a practical class by taking the students to the various industries and we are explaining how it is working. And we are also practicing the students how to follow the ethical rules and regulations in business, and we are also making the students to educate the local vendors and all to follow the ethical business rules and regulations. These are the types of practical exercises.
In your SSR, the principal has stated, you have created a business lab.
Yes, sir.
What is business lab? Or a commerce lab? What is a business lab or a commerce lab?
Sir, our syllabus is mainly depends on the classroom teaching, sir. So, in addition to this classroom teaching, we are doing the knowledge among the students, sir. We have to have some practical works.
You please go browse the website and find out what is a commerce lab or a business lab. I will be a kid. I went to a college in Punjab for the first class. And they introduced, I was about to inaugurate a seminar on commerce.
So we should have programs like how to set up a business.
Yeah.
No, this is the idea. It is an idea. How to set up a business.
Yes.
How to file the income tax returns.
Yes.
So these are the areas under commerce and management. So in that lab, it should be focused on like e-commerce.
Yes, sir.
E-commerce.
E-commerce.
Digital.
Yes, sir.
So these are the programs which you can launch in the commerce in that lab.
Okay.
And yeah, these are different industries. Of course, industry, rather industry, you can take the corporate sector and give them what is the commercial practice. But bank
There is some special programs like
see, making the students career ready and